Here we have the Doff and Donner and the cone, which helps with putting that on. We're going to clamp it to a flat surface. We're going to put our pantyhose, compression stocking, or sock on right side out. Just roll the Donner down. Make sure it's all loaded. Roll it up. Now we want to make sure that the toe is here and the heel is on the bottom. Of the toe, the heel. You can use this to pull the hose up and to take them off. It's that simple.